everyone, this is video number 3 in the series of partnership problems. In video number 1 we learned as to how profit should be distributed provided the time period है investments का different partners का वो same है. And in video number 2 we learned what if time periods are different, how to approach such problems. Now in this video I'm going to be discussing what if capitals are different for different partners. फिर आप इस problems को कैसे approach करोगे. तो video number 1 and video number 2 they are very much important in order to understand what we are going to be discussing in this video. So I'm going to be starting with this very simple problem out here and theory धीरे धीरे evolve करेंगे. 2-3 problem जाते जाते आपको completely समझ में आ जाएगा. Now this problem says that A, B and C enter in a partnership. A initially invested 25 lakh rupees. So पहले A लेके आया 25 lakh rupees and adds another 10 lakh rupees after 1 year. B initially invested rupees 35 lakhs and withdrew rupees 10 lakhs after 2 years. And C has invested rupees 30 lakh. Find the ratio in which the profit should be distributed. अच्छा problem तो सिर्फ इतना ही है. मैंने तो आफ्टर 3 इयर्स आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए लिख दिया हुआ है. आप इस प्रॉब्लम को पढ़ के ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि दिस बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर 3 इयर्स. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड फॉर ए. एंड व्हाट डिड आई टेल यू इन वीडियो नंबर 2 दैट प्रॉफिट शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द रेशियो ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट and time period. That is what you learned in second video. So what if I need to find out for A, B and C in 3 different steps. So A has invested rupees 25 lakh rupees. Understand this. 25 lakh rupees for the first year. So in order to find out profit, investment and time, both of them have been multiplied. Now, because the business is going to be there for 3 years and problem says that A has added another 10 lakh rupees after 1 year. So the total capital that A has invested in the business, now it has become 35 lakh rupees. You understand this? And with 35 lakh rupees, A is there in the business for 2 more years. हो गया 3 साल के लिए. For the first year, A is there in the business with 25 lakh rupees. For next 2 years, A is there in the business with 35 lakh rupees. Now, what is going to be happening for B? है ना ये simple. इन तीनों का अलग अलग निकालेंगे. It says that B started with 35 lakh rupees and B was there in the business for 2 years with the same capital. और उसके बाद में B has withdrawn 10 lakh rupees. So now third year onwards, B is there in the business with 25 lakh rupees. 10 lakh रुपए उसने निकाल दिया तो बचा कितना 25 lakh rupees for how many years? 1 year. अच्छा सी के लिए तो कुछ बोल नहीं रहा. वो सी के लिए तो सिर्फ इतना कह रहा है कि C has brought 30 lakh rupees. C invests 30 lakh rupees for how many years? 3 years. Now can you simplify this? What is going to be these values? Let us try to simplify this. So the value for A comes out as how much? 25 and then 70. This is coming out as 95. How about this? 70 and 25. This is 95. And then this is 90. So what should be the ratio in which the profit should be distributed amongst A, B and C? It should be 95 and then 95 and then 10. ये कितना आ गया? 19 and then 19. Oh no, this is not 10, this is 90. So this one is coming out as 18. हुआ ना ये सिंपल. अब आप ही बता दो कि प्रॉब्लम है क्या कुछ बड़ा? प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल बड़ा नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम बड़ा आप कर दोगे जब आप A के लिए फर्स्ट ईयर का अलग से निकालोगे, फिर सेकेंड ईयर का निकालोगे, फिर थर्ड ईयर का निकालोगे, फिर B का ऐसे करोगे और फिर वो प्रॉब्लम आप कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर दोगे. मैंने क्या किया, वो सारे के सारे स्टेप यहीं पे लिख दिए जो आप one by one करके फाइनल आंसर में लिखोगे. So that's one understanding that you should be developing. अगर आप ऐसे प्रॉब्लम को अप्रोच कर ले जाओ तो फिर प्रॉब्लम सिंप्लीफाई हो गया. So I hope you're understanding. So this problem we solved with this method where what are we doing? We are finding out the values for different partners by multiplying investment and time. और अगर ये समझ में आ गया तो let us try to solve this problem out here. थोड़ा बड़ा सा दिख रहा है. It says that Amit started a business, invested 25,000 in 2009. पहले तो ना इन प्रॉब्लम्स में आपको यह पता चलना चाहिए कि बिजनेस है कितने साल का। 2009 में अमित लेके आया 25,000 रुपीज, एंड देन in 2010 he is investing another 10,000 rupees, and Rohit has joined him with an investment of 35,000 rupees. In 2011 Amit further is investing 10,000 rupees. तो पहले तो अमित के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। ये बिजनेस कितने साल का? 3 साल का। Let us find out for Amit. Amit in the very first year invested 25,000 rupees. So 25 into 1. Do you understand what I'm doing? And then Amit brings 10,000 rupees more. तो Amit के पास बिजनेस में बचा हुआ कितना, मतलब बचा कितना is like how much amount Amit is having for the second year? 35,000 rupees. So Amit will be demanding profit not onto 25,000 rupees, not onto 10,000 rupees, but Amit would be demanding profit on the capital of 35,000 rupees. अब इसके बाद क्या हो गया? अमित के लिए फिर उसने ये बोला कि अमित इन्वेस्टेड अनदर 10,000 रुपीज. सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन? 45 into 1. बड़ी बात. 2009, 2010, 2011, and then it also talks about Rohit. Rohit joined him with an amount of 35,000 rupees. So 35,000 rupees. And problem does not talk about Rohit doing anything else in the problem. What will be the Rohit share? So 35 into 2. Simple हुआ. And in 2011, Amit invested another 10,000 rupees, and Mohit has joined them with 35,000 rupees. So Rohit का ये हो गया. And then for Mohit, it is 35,000 into 1. Do you understand? अमित का लक्ष्य निकाल दिया, रोहित का लक्ष्य निकाल दिया, मोहित का लक्ष्य निकाल दिया, और फिर इन तीनों का क्या कर दिया? रेशियो निकाल दिया, और इसी रेशियो में प्रॉफिट बांट दिया. काम खत्म हो गया. चलो जी, अमित की वैल्यू निकाल दो. what is the value of Amit? 25, 35, 45. This value is coming out as how much? 95. Is it coming out as 95? 40, 80, 105. This is 105. And then this value is 70, and this value is 35. So in what ratio profit should be distributed? Profit should be distributed amongst these three persons in the ratio of 105 and 70 and 35. Isn't it very simple to find out? 105 is 35 into 3. 70 is 35 into 2, and this is 35. So profit should be distributed in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. And they are asking you how much profit Rohit should be getting. So Rohit should be getting a 2 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 2/6 of the total. And what is the meaning of writing 2/6 of the total? 1/3 of the total profit should be going to Rohit, and the profit is what? It is 1,50,000 rupees. What is 1/3 of 1,50,000 rupees? 50,000 rupees. So the profit that Rohit must get is 50,000 rupees. How much Amit should be getting? 1 lakh rupees. And then no, 3 divided by 6. So Amit should be getting 75,000 rupees. Rohit should be getting 50,000 rupees, and Mohit should be getting 25,000 rupees. Do you understand what I'm trying to do? एक बार ये वाला काम आपने कर दिया तो फिर तो बाकी सारे के सारे काम बिल्कुल सिंपल हो गए, isn't it? Now let us pause the video, try to solve this question on and by the way, these questions are there in the description box also. So whenever you watch these kind of videos, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाके पहले इन क्वेश्चंस को आप सॉल्व करो. कभी आंसर मैं नहीं लिखता वहां पे. आंसर नहीं लिखने का पर्पस यही कि आप इस वीडियो को आगे यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन अपना चेक करो. A and B entered a partnership investing 16,000 rupees and 12,000 rupees. So I'm going to be finding out for A and B differently. A started with 16,000 rupees, and after 3 months, so for 3 months A is there in the business with 16,000 rupees. अब क्या हुआ? A has withdrawn 5,000 rupees. भाई 16,000 rupees बिजनेस में था, और अगर वो 5,000 रुपए निकाल के गया तो बचा कितना? 11,000 rupees. Now A is there in the business with 11,000 rupees for how many months? Because the business is there for how many years? 1 year. So 11 into 9 months. अब आप टाइम को या तो सारे के सारों को ईयर्स में लिखोगे या तो सारे के सारों को मंथ्स में लिखोगे, यही तो आप करोगे. Now let us talk about B. B started this business with 12,000 rupees, isn't it? And after 3 months B has further invested 5,000 rupees. तो भाई 12,000 तो पहले से ही था. Now 5,000 rupees additional amount that B has brought. So total amount that B has invested 4th month onward is 17,000 rupees. And after 3 more months, so after 3 more months का मतलब कितना हो गया कि बिजनेस अगर 12 महीने का है और C is coming there in the business after 6 months. So आपको ये पता करना है कि C बिजनेस में कितने महीने के लिए है. तो C बिजनेस में है कितने महीने के लिए? 6 महीने के लिए. And since C has brought 21,000 rupees for how many months? For 6 months. So you have to find out. You have to find out A is to B is to C in this ratio. Now, do you also understand that 3 is common here and here? So what I'm going to do, I will take 3 out of it. So 16 and 11 into 9, I will write 11 into 3. Just to simplify things for you. 12 and this is 17 into 3. And this one is going to be, if you take 3 common out of it, it becomes this. So what is going to be the ratio? What is going to be the ratio? It is going to be 16 plus 33, 33 plus 16. No, 16 plus. So this is coming out as 49. 12 plus 51, this is coming out as how much? 63, and this one is 42. So what is going to be the ratio of profits of A is to B is to C? This one comes out as 49 is to 63 is to 42. And if you simplify this further, this is 7 into 7, this is 9 into 7, and this is 6 into 7. So a profit should be distributed in amongst A, B and C in the ratio of 7, 9 and 6. And what is that they are talking about? What is that they are talking about? The share of B exceeds that of share of C. अब आप एक चीज देखो ना कि C का अगर आपने शेयर बढ़ाना है तो C को आप दोगे कितना? C को आप दोगे 6 divided by 22 of the total, isn't it? And B should be getting what? 9 divided by 22 of the total profit. So what is the difference? B minus C. B minus C, denominator is same. So 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 22 of the total profit. That's the difference. That difference is given to you as 26400. Isn't it? The share of B exceeds that of C out of it. Oh, my bad. Total profit has been given to you. So B will be getting 9 by 22 of the total profit, whereas C will be getting 6 by 22 of the total profit, and the difference between them is going to be 3 by 22 of the total profit, and total profit in this problem is given to you as 26400. So this is 1, and then this is going to be what? 200. So this value comes out as 3600. You may find out anything. Last line problem की change हो जाएगी ना भाई. बट अगर आपने ये वाली वैल्यू निकाल दी तो फिर तो आपका काम आसान हो गया. बाकी तो आप करते रहो. वो आपसे ए का प्रॉफिट पूछ लेगा, वो आपसे बी का प्रॉफिट पूछ लेगा, वो आपसे सी का प्रॉफिट पूछ लेगा. देन द प्रॉब्लम माइट आल्सो आस्क यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रॉफिट्स, और profit of one person is exceeding the profit of the other person by what value. So these kind of problems that they might ask you. So they might play around with the algebra word problem, but then essence of the problem remains same. Pause the video, try to solve this question on your own. All these questions are way too simple. अगर आपने इन प्रॉब्लम्स को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर दिया ना तो फिर आप एग्जामिनेशन में तो फिर हाफ पेज लगा के आओगे. मेरे मेथड से जाओगे तो 2 लाइन में लगा के आ जाओगे इन प्रॉब्लम्स को. एंड दिस वन सेज दैट A, B and C started a business investing amounts in the ratio of 5:6:8. So method number 1, you take algebra and you start putting variables. Problem गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. After 1 year, C has withdrawn 50% of the amount and A has invested further 60%. So what if you see, what if I say that A has invested 5 rupees and B has invested 6 rupees and C has invested 8 rupees. Does this make a difference? I don't think that this is going to be making any difference अगर हम अपने बेसिक्स पे लगे रहे तो. After 1 year, C has withdrawn. So A के लिए पता कर लेते हैं. End of the 2 years, तो बिजनेस है 2 साल का. For the first year, amount into time. Now after 1 year, A is bringing 60%. So what is going to be 60% of 5 rupees? It is 3 rupees. You can find it out on your own. There are 10 videos for you to learn this concept. So अगर 3 rupees additional लेके आया A, भाई 60%, what did I say? 60% of 5 rupees. And now you know that 60% can be written as 3 by 5 into 5. So A is bringing 3 rupees additional in the business. So A के पास में हुआ कितना? 8 rupees. 8 into 1. And what is going to be happening for B? B के लिए तो उसने कुछ बोला नहीं, तो B के पास 6 rupees के साथ में 2 साल रहने दो बिजनेस में. What is going to be happening for C? After 1 year, C has withdrawn 50%. तो अगर C ने बिजनेस शुरू किया 8 rupees से, तो पहले साल रहने दो ना उसको 8 into 1. और 50% ऑफ 8 rupees बड़ा आसान है निकालना. You don't even have to pick up your pen. 4 rupees gone. So C is left with 4 rupees for the second year of the business. अब इस रेशियो में पैसे बांट दो. So what is this value? 5 into 8, this value is 13. This is 6 into 2, 12. And this is 8 plus 4, 12. What should be the ratio of profits? It should be 13 and 12 and 12. Now let me know in the comment section, can something be a better method than that of this? मेरे को तो नहीं लगता कि इससे बेटर कोई मेथड हो सकता है प्रॉब्लम को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए. हाँ, आप बड़ा कर सकते हो, आप अलजेब्रा लगा सकते हो, आप वेरिएबल लगा सकते हो, आप बड़ी वैल्यूज ले सकते हो, बट कन्वीनियंट वैल्यू ऐसे पिक करो जहां पे आपका काम चल जाए. Isn't it? तो मेरा तो यहां से काम चल गया. Let us try to solve this one. It says that A, B and C started a business with their investments in the ratio 1:3:5. After 4 months, A invested the same amount and B and C are withdrawing half and half. तो वापस वही काम करते हैं, देखते हैं अगर हमारा काम चल जाए तो फिर तो हमारे लिए बड़ा अच्छा हो गया. You say that A started the business with 1 rupee and then B started this business with 3 rupees. And C started this business with 5 rupees. How do I find out what is the value for A? So A started with 1 rupee and after 4 months A has invested the same amount. तो 1 रुपया से शुरू किया and further A is investing 1 more rupees after 4 months. So the total capital of A becomes what? 1 plus 1, which is 2. And for 8 months, for further 8 months, because they are asking you to find out the ratio of their profits at the end of the year. So what is going to be for B? What is going to be the value for B? This is going to be, B started with 3 rupees, isn't it? And after 4 months, so I'm going to be writing 3 into 4. है ना मैजिक? सिंपल से मेथड्स हैं यार ये. और उसके बाद क्या हो गया? B has withdrawn 50%. So what is going to be 50% of 3 rupees? 1.5 rupees gone. How much B is left with in the business? 1.5 rupees. और अगर B के पास बिजनेस में बचा है 1.5 rupees for 8 months, for further 8 months. So this is how you will find the value of B. How would you find out the value of C? C started with 5 rupees, isn't it? C started with 5 rupees. And then after 4 months, C has withdrawn 50%. Now C is left with कितना? 2.5 rupees. कितने महीने के लिए? 8 महीने के लिए. होगी वैल्यू सिंप्लीफाई. आपने क्या करना है यहाँ पे? ये देख लो. 4, 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. This value is 12. This value is 12 plus 1.5 1.5 into 8, that is also 12. If you simplify these values, this value is also coming out as 12. So this is going to be 24. How about this? This is 20. And this value is 25. 2.5 into 8 is also coming out as 20. So in what ratio you should be distributing the profit? A, B and C should be getting profits in the ratio of 20 and then 24 and then 20 plus 20, 40. What should be, if you simplify this further? So this is 5 into 4, 6 into 4 and 10 into 4. So in what ratio profit should be distributed? In the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 10. Did you get this problem? Did you get this problem? I hope you're learning things. So partnership problems होते बड़े simple है. अगर आपने problems को complicated बड़े बड़े तरीके से लगाया तो इसका मतलब है your understanding of the problems is not thorough. Let us try to solve this question. Maybe this is the last problem of this video and then we will learn something else in the next video. Two partners invested 1,25,000. This is 1,25,000 rupees and 85,000 rupees. Respectively in the business, they distribute 60% of the profit equally. Say A and B, they have invested the money in the ratio of 1,25,000 rupees and 85,000 rupees. So I can say that this is 25 is to 17. पहले तो ये understanding clear होनी चाहिए. And what if I say that चलो जी ये समझना आप बड़े ध्यान से. What if the profit is 100 rupees? Now 60% of A problem बोलता है 60 rupees has been divided amongst A and B 50% and 50%. So A would be getting 30 rupees profit and B should be getting 30 rupees profit. And then the rest of 40 rupees should be distributed in the ratio of their capitals. अब जिस रेशियो में कैपिटल आया हुआ है उसी रेशियो में हमारे को प्रॉफिट बांटना है. और कैपिटल किस रेशियो में आया हुआ है इस प्रॉब्लम पे? 25 is to 17. So A should get 25 divided by what? 25 divided by 25 plus 17, that is 42. Of what value? Of 40 rupees. हमारे हिसाब से तो यही है. And B should be getting 17 divided by 42 of 40. And now what is that the problem is asking? If one partner received 3,000 more than the second partner, so the difference of their profits is given to you as 3,000 rupees. So problem is asking you what is going to be the total profit. Now understand. Difference यहाँ से तो कुछ निकल के आएगा नहीं, because A and B are getting equal values. So 30 minus 30, this value is going to be 0. Difference is going to be from here because A is making more than that of B. So this minus this will be the difference, and the total profit that we have assumed is 100 rupees. वो बाद में निकाल के देखेंगे कितना आ रहा है. अच्छा जी, और अगर ये हो गया तो हमारे हिसाब से what is going to be this difference? What is going to be this difference? 25 minus 17, that value is coming out as 8 divided by 42 into 40, isn't it? That's the difference. And we might also say that A is getting this much more than that of B as per the statement of the problem. भाई A B से कितना ज्यादा कमा रहा है? Profit इतना ज्यादा कमा रहा है. Now can we simplify this further? Can we say how do we simplify this? This is 21. This is 20. So this is going to be 160 upon 21 rupees. ये तो आ गया डिफरेंस. अब मैं ना उस बचपन वाले मेथड की तरफ जाता हूं. अब हमने क्या अज्यूम किया कि हमारा जो प्रॉफिट है वो है 100 rupees, isn't it? So our difference is coming out as 160 by 21 rupees, and the problem says that the difference of their profit is 3,000 rupees. So can I say this? If the difference is of 160 upon 21 rupees, then the collective profit is 100 rupees. What if the difference is 1 rupee? Then the collective profit would have been 21 by 60 into 100 rupees, isn't it? And what if the difference is 3,000 rupees? मैं तो बिल्कुल ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा. So अगर difference है 3,000 rupees, what is going to be their collective profits? 160 into 100 into 3000 rupees. बन गई बात आपकी? Now what is that we should be doing further? This is 5 and this should be 8, and if you simplify this is 21 into 5, and this can be written as what? This value here. This I can write as 3 into 1000. So this is 3, and 1000 divided by 8 is 125. So this value is 105 and this value is 375. ये वैल्यू मैं निकाल दूं तो मेरा काम चल जाए. इतना बड़ा वैल्यू निकाले कौन? अब मेरे पास है 105 into 375, and I'm going to look at my options. I would say that what if I have got 105 into 375? Which option? Now 5 into 5, last digit is going to be 5. So which option is gone? This option is gone and this option is gone. So we are left with B and C. Now how you have learned in my Vedic mathematics classes, you can find the link here also. Go and watch as to how to multiply 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers in one line. So this is where you would be able to do the option elimination. Now what if I will have to eliminate the option and I say that 105 and 375? How do I find out the product? So 5 into 5 is 25. So last digit of the product is 5. Two options are gone. Now 0 into 5, 0, 7 into 5, 35, 35 into 2, 37. Now this is 3. Now if you look at your options, the second last digit in both of the options is 75. तो ये तो अब कुछ simplify कर नहीं रहा हमारी चीज को. So we have to move further. We have to find out digit at the hundreds place. अगर वो digit at the hundredth place निकाल दो तो हमारा काम बन जाए. How do we find out? I'm not simplifying. आप जाकर उस वाली वीडियो को बड़े अच्छे से देखो, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. So 1 into 5, 5, 3 into 5, 15, 15 and 5, 20. This is where we are getting 0 and this is going to be 3. So the digit at hundreds place is coming out as 3. Which option? 375. What answer should be there of the product? 375. यानी इसका मतलब 39375 is going to be the answer of this problem. आप देखो ना, मैंने जैसे इस प्रॉब्लम को सिंप्लीफाई किया है. Isn't it simple? यहां से तो डिफरेंस आएगा नहीं. जो डिफरेंस आएगा ये यहीं से आएगा. वेरिएबल लगा के करेंगे तब भी बनेगा, वेरिएबल नहीं लगा के करेंगे तब भी बनेगा. और उसके बाद में भी आप अपने टाइम को कैसे बचाओगे ये आपने यहाँ पे सीखा. So this is what we did in this video. In the next video I'm going to be talking about the component of ratios that are very required to solve some partnership problems. आपने वो सीखे सारे के सारे हैं. There are 12 videos of ratio and proportion. We have done them all thoroughly. अब उसमें से किसकी जरूरत इन पार्टनरशिप प्रॉब्लम्स को लगाने के लिए हो सकती है वो हम सीखेंगे नेक्स्ट वाली वीडियो में. So I'm gonna see you there. Till then, bye bye and take care.